Yeah, so this is the lobby of the Rock Hotel. That's downtown Kingston, Victoria Pier. They just opened up in the summertime. Yeah, I like what they're doing downtown Kingston, right next door to the tax office. So I went up to the bar, tried some drinks. Bartenders are really cool, and they know how to make the liquor strong. You want a good solid, you don't want a good drink, something strong, go to this bar. They'll take care of you. And, ambiance is good, atmosphere is good. It's really cool. A little bit cool. That big ceiling fan. Yeah, the drinks are nice. They look nice and refreshing, but the liquor is really strong. The rum, yeah, I like their Bob Marley too. It's nice, but very strong. Red pea soup, yeah, that was very good. It's my favorite. Um, yeah, this is nice too. The brownie, yeah, it's like a Bailey's kind of brownie. It's good, sweet. Whatever you do when you go here and you're not sure what drink to order, do not have the bartender choose the special drink for you because that's like $5,000 for one drink. Make sure you choose your own drink. If you make the bartender make it special, you're looking at like 5 grand. I couldn't believe it when I saw the bill. Oh man, so make sure you pick your own drink. Do not have the bartender make you his special because it's gonna be one of the most expensive things. Yeah. Yeah, it was good. Bar is good. I was enjoying myself. Good vibe. That fan in the ceiling. Once you start drinking these cold drink, that fan in the ceiling, that big one over the bar, oh man, it's gonna make you feel so cold. Because the drink is already cold, plus the fan, it just amplifies it. Yeah, this is like my go-to. If I want to go somewhere and I'm not going uptown, this is my go-to, this hotel. Yeah, good service, good stuff. Yeah, nice finger food. Yeah, this is my go-to. Was checking out the Lakers game. Yeah, the Lakers Celtic game. They robbed LeBron though. LeBron got robbed with that last minute no call. Here's one of the chefs having a good time. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, I highly recommend it. It's nice, good selection, nice, friendly people.